Hey everybody, Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to take a look at this 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This is the ultimate in a single engine bay boat. It is built like an absolute battleship, gets you into shallow water in Northeast Florida and offshore. We're going to talk about this power plant, the 400 horsepower Mercury V10 Verado. Great power, extremely nimble, and super quiet and efficient. This boat's got a power pole on it as well. Nice and handy at the sandbar if you're fishing inshore. And this boat is set up with one live well here, and then you've got an optional live well that we can do in this leaning post here. This one's got the Yeti cooler. You can also get a leaning post with an additional live well if you're a big live bait fisherman. One of the neat features about this boat is how these seats tuck away. So when you want to convert this into a nice, comfortable seat, look how easy that is. And then we can put it all back together, take the cushion off, and you've got a nice casting platform. But look at the hinges on this seat, how well built. This is 100% Boston Whaler. As we go up to the helm, we've got this awesome leaning post with flip-up bolster seats. Get you nice and comfortable. You've also got armrests that are adjustable as well. Tilt steering at the helm. Plenty of room for a 12-inch electronics of your choice. We've got a glove box here. As you can see, I've got my phone charging on the inductive charger up on the dash. And this is really comfortable, guys. I'm not a small guy, and I have plenty of room in here at the helm. Let's come around forward up to the bow and take a look at what makes the 250 Dauntless unique. This huge lounge seat that's incorporated into the boat. Great place for the family to lay out, and then check out this storage. This has lockable rod storage where the rods will extend into the console that has a head. You've got plenty of space down here for all of your gear. You can lock up unruly kids, whatever you need to do. And up at the bow, we've got some great seating with some backrests that just pop right up. On both sides, you take the cushions off, you've got a great casting platform, we've got a fully insulated fish box, and then an anchor locker underneath. Give me a call at 904-545-5310 and let's set up a sea trial on this 250 Dauntless today.